Morning and a happy Monday to all the viewers. Let's start quickly with which are the stocks to watch out for today at 9:15 a.m. There is a big list because of the long weekend coming in. So we'll start with Sun Pharma and the pharma space, where the company's two subsidiaries, US-based subsidiary units, have signed a settlement pact in its generic pharma pricing and antitrust litigation. Now, the unit is to pay $85 million in exchange of the full release of all the claims arrested against them, and the settlement payment amount is to be reduced by $10 million under certain circumstances. So, surely keep an eye out on Sun Pharma today in the pharma space. Other than that, we do have DIVIS also, which is in focus today on the back in the pharma space on the back of its Q2 FY22 numbers. Actually, the numbers have been below estimates in this quarter. When you look at it overall, the revenues of the company have seen a 13.6% growth, while the margins have broadly remained flat. The gross margins and the EBITDA margins are surely under pressure owing to the lower revenue as well as the higher expenses that the company has seen coming in. So, DV's overall Q2 below the estimates. Now, keeping up with the earnings itself, we have Eicher Motors also, which reported its numbers. Overall, when you look at it, it's a strong set of numbers coming in on the headline and overall all the operation performance as well. So revenue, profits, margins, EBITDA all above estimates, while we have seen brokerage notes like JP Morgan maintaining upgrading the stance from neutral to neutral from an underperformance stance, with a target price of 2,450 rupees per share. Post the Q2 numbers, they believe the margin surprise surely addressed one of their major concerns, as well as the mix and the price hike is a surprise for driving the positive gross margins as well. So surely keeping an eye out on Eicher Motors as well. Moving on, we do have another news, HAL, which is that's Hindustan Aeronautics, which is in focus as well, after India's Defence Acquisition Council has met the second time in 2 months to approve the next blockbuster Make in India product for HAL, and this is around $2 billion light utility helicopters. So surely keep an eye out on HAL as well. IndusInd Bank too in focus today after the bank refutes allegation of loan evergreening. The management has strongly refuted these allegations of the evergreening of loans, citing that they are inaccurate and baseless. Now, it was also reported in certain media articles that there has been various top-level resignations in BFIL, and the management has refuted the same and highlighted that there is no resignation that has been received by them as well. So surely keep an eye out on IndusInd Bank as well. SJBN also in focus after the company gets 100 megawatt grid connected solar PV power project from Punjab State Corporation, and the tentative construction of the project is at around 45 crore rupees. So surely keep an eye out on that. Gujarat Alkali's too on focus after the unexpected surge in prices of construction materials and shortage of manpower has led to a disruption in the work and resulted in slower progress and completion of two of the projects by about 2 months, is what the company has highlighted as well. Other than that, today morning we did see news coming in for Inox Wind as well, where they have won an order as well. So surely keep an eye out on Inox Winds as well. Other than that, today earnings, we have Britannia and the Nifty company. Keep an eye out on that. Other than that, we do have Aurobind, the Pharma, V-Mart Retail, Walk Hard Limited as well, which is going to be in focus on the back of the earnings that they'll be reporting today.